Good morning from Nashville International Airport. My name is Connor, and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today I'll be flying with Breeze Airways on board their Embraer E195 from here in Nashville up to Akron. I will be flying in their Nice product, which is their name for economy class. I'm excited to try Breeze again, as last time I traveled with them on their inaugural flight from Huntsville to New Orleans, we were delayed almost 5 hours. Not a great first impression. This will also be my first flight on board an Embraer E195, as Breeze is the only operator of the E195 in the United States, with only 5 aircraft currently in the fleet. Breeze Airways is a rapidly expanding low-cost airline founded by David Neeleman, who also started airlines like JetBlue and Azul. The airline focuses on point-to-point flying rather than utilizing the hub-and-spoke system, allowing for flights such as the one I'm taking today. If you follow me on Instagram, you'd know I love flying with Breeze, and I really want to see them succeed. So, let's get right to it. What you're currently looking at is a completed phase of the BNA Vision construction project, a multi-phase plan to give BNA a whole new look. Upgrades include new parking garages, modernized concourses, a new international arrivals facility, and more. I arrived at the airport 3 hours early with a bag to check, and I made the same mistake as my last flight with Contour. I arrived too early. The Breeze check-in desk does not open until 2 hours before the flight. Luckily, it looks like everyone else made that same mistake. The employees noticed, and they opened the desk 30 minutes early. Now that's what I call good customer service. In addition, the 2 employees at the desk were very nice and seemed to be very excited about their airline. These are little things that I love to see, and it tells me that Breeze treats their people very well. My flight this morning is Breeze Airways Flight 207 with nonstop service to Akron, which is scheduled to depart gate B13 at 6:20 p.m. Part of the BNA Vision project includes the separation of the North and South Terminal. I am in the North Terminal today, which includes concourses A and B, and is home to pretty much every airline that serves Nashville besides American and Southwest. Concourse A will be the last concourse to receive any renovations, as it is home to the International Arrivals Facility. The concourses are connected by a rotunda that is home to most restaurants and shops in the terminal. With my store being closed back at home for the past few months, I just had to get some Chick-fil-A while I had the opportunity.
I don't feel like dealing with that right now.
Concourse B remains mostly the same, with some small touching up being done here and there, as the renovations are currently being focused on the C concourse and South Terminal. This concourse includes lots of seating areas and natural lighting, as well as many amenities for passengers. These include free Wi-Fi, power outlets, televisions, as well as multiple restaurants and shops. Here we are at gate B13, which is shared by Breeze, WestJet, Swoop, Flair Airlines, and Avalo. Boarding is scheduled for 5:50 p.m. One thing I really love about BNA is the variety of aircraft that fly through, such as these Delta A220s. It's a great airport for spotting, as you'll see both old and new aircraft on a regular day. The number of different airlines serving the airport makes it even better. Here's my aircraft for today's flight, November 190 Bravo Zulu, an almost 9-year-old Embraer E195 AR that previously flew with Azul. It was the first E195 to join the Breeze fleet back in December of 2020.
Anyone in need additional time or assistance, any active retired military personnel welcome aboard at this time, and we thank you for your service. Anyone with children that you are under is welcome aboard at this time.
Breeze's E195s have 118 seats, with 18 in Nicer class and 100 in Nice class. My seat for this 1-hour flight is 19A, a window seat situated just behind the wing. These seats are 17 inches wide and offer 31 inches of pitch. I'm 6'1", so it's definitely not bad, especially for a short flight like this one. The seat back pocket is clean, besides the wadded up paper towel, and contain the essentials. I'll go over those later. The tray table is clean and sturdy, but it does not extend. It wasn't long before, well, I bet you can guess it at this point. Another delay was announced, this time for IT issues. According to a flight attendant, the iPads up front were not up to date, so we have another 20 minutes
Once we
until
get that
pushback.
done, go ahead and push back out of here. It's a little bit longer taxi here. Those of you familiar with Nashville, there's a lot of real estate here.
Oh my gosh, Rockefeller has an ice skate and stuff. That'd be cool. I always back for work, and it's just like we're just doing extra appointments and stuff like that. We try to like Soho. They like.
Finally, after a total 55-minute delay, we began our pushback, taxied out, and departed from runway 02 right.
Lift the top flap of the buckle. Just turn the lights off for takeoff, but your reading light is above you, like some additional light.
your seatbelts fastened in case of unexpected turbulence. When it is safe to do so, we will start our in-flight service. As a reminder, you may not drink any personal alcohol brought on board the aircraft.
The seatback pocket includes a sick bag, a safety card, and an onboard service brochure. Breeze's onboard service has significantly improved since my last flight with them, with the addition of a large buy onboard menu as well as free Wi-Fi. When connected to the onboard Wi-Fi, you gain access to Breeze's Bring Your Own Device IFE. Included is a great selection of movies, TV series, and games. Overall, it's a simple IFE with very little features, but it's definitely a move in the right direction. As for buy onboard meals, you can now purchase a wide variety of Coke products, alcoholic beverages, and snacks. You can also save yourself a few dollars and purchase a bundle. I ended up going with the snack box bundle, which includes a snack box and a drink, for $11. It includes dried cranberries, flatbread with cheese, brownie chips, and almonds. I of course accompanied this box with a Sprite. And now, without further ado, we begin our descent into Akron, landing on runway 01. Despite the 55-minute delay in Nashville, my view of Breeze has improved after this flight. Considering this is a low-cost carrier, I'm very impressed with the onboard service. As always, the crew were absolutely wonderful and cheerful, and while handing me my snack box, even asked me if I'd flown on the A220 yet. Hopefully I could get to that soon.
The seatbelt sign is still on. Well, for the... Oh, never mind. Sorry.
A big thanks to Breeze Airways for the easy and comfortable flight today. I can't wait to share my experience in the nicer cabin on the return leg with you all. And thank you all for watching this trip report. I do hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. If you did not like the video, be sure to tell me why so I can fix it in the next one. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram by clicking the link in the description. I'll see you all in the next video.